How to set up MetaMask crypto wallet on your mobile phone. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up MetaMask wallet on your phone. So let's get started. First of all, you will simply go to your Apple Store or your Play Store and download MetaMask blockchain wallet. It's an application available for Apple and iOS. So you will just download the application and click on open. It will take you right here. It says wallet setup, import an existing wallet or create a new one. So we will be creating a new wallet today and I'll show you how to set it up, how you can use it. Click on create a new wallet. And this is where you will be creating your own password. So you can see it says create password and we just have to enter a password and confirm it and then click on I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. So I will just type in the passwords. Once done, click on create password. And now it's creating my wallet, you can see. And there you go, we have our own crypto wallet on our mobile phone. This is my MetaMask wallet. Getting a MetaMask wallet is really easy. You just download the application and then set up a reasonable password. Once you set up a password, you will get your own account on MetaMask. Now I will show you how to use it and how to set it up, what are the different settings you will be getting, and how you can avail your crypto wallet from your phone. So this is my account, you can see. Above the screen, you will be able to see the mainnet, Ethereum main network. It is on Ethereum. You can see the tokens are Ethereum as well. And if I switch to NFTs, all of the NFTs will be shown here. The default mainnet that we get with MetaMask is Ethereum. Then we have the receive button, buy, send and swap. This is going to be my wallet address and you can see the currency right now is USD. If I want to switch networks, I will just click right here and you can see we have different networks available. We have Ethereum, Polygon, then some test networks, and we can also add a custom network if we want. Click on add a network and it will take you to different custom networks such as Avalanche, then we have Arbitrum, BNB Smart Chain, Palm, Optimism, and I can just switch to add network name, RPC URL, chain ID, symbol, and block explorer URL. Now adding a custom network is more easier on phone than on our PC or our browser because then we have to add all of the information. But here on our mobile phone, we are already getting some of the networks. So if I just click right here, you will be able to see I don't need to add all the information to add Avalanche or BNB. Just click on it and it will give you all of the information. Click on approve, switch network, and you will see now I have BNB. I can click on wallet again and switch networks really easily. So this is the main thing that you should learn, which is changing your networks. Then we have our own account here. I can click on these three lines and account one. We can create more than one account on our MetaMask. So what I can do is, this is account one. I can click on create new account and create a brand new account, another one. Or I can import an account as well. Let's say I already have an account, I can import on my phone. Then we can connect our hardware wallet from this option. Let's go back. Here in our settings, we have send option, add funds, browser, activity, share my public address, view on Etherscan, settings, and support. Let's say I want to add funds to my MetaMask. Click on add funds option. And this is where you will be receiving, this is my QR code to buy Ethereum or to add funds. So this is what I will be using. Then we have send. Click on send right here and you will send from your account to a public address. So if you're sending to your another wallet, you will just add the address right here in the to section. Or you can ask a friend, any person, maybe you're selling an NFT, maybe you're sending someone some Ethereum. So you will just enter their address right here, click on send, and your Ethereum will be sent to them. So this is how you send money. Let's say I want to swap. Click on the swap option given here, and we can swap between different tokens and different currencies on our MetaMask wallet. So first of all, you have to select a token that you want to swap from. So I'm just going to select Ethereum. We have others as well, USDT, then we have Calm and others. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Ethereum. this is where I will enter the amount. Like I want to swap 50 Ethereum, I want to swap 5 Ethereum, maybe zero point 0.5 Ethereum. So it will show you if you have the funds in your wallet. So it will maybe 2 Ethereum. So you just enter the amount and then select the token you want to swap it to. You want to swap it to USD coin, USDT, WETH, and others. So you will select it. I'm going to swap it to my USDC. So you will enter the amount, for example, 2, and then click on swap, and you will be able to do so. Keep in mind, this is, you will be able to see the maximum slippage percentage, which is going to be 2% for swapping on MetaMask. So keep that in mind. It is going to be 2%. You just enter the amount, and this is how we swap tokens on MetaMask. In order to send, again, you will just click on send option, and this is what I showed you before. You will be able to send money. If you want to buy, click on buy, and this is where you will get started on buying crypto through your MetaMask wallet. Using MetaMask is actually really, really easy, and all of the options are given here. It's a very easy to use wallet and very easy to get one and set it up. So once you have your funds added, you will just add from here, or you can receive funds as well with this receive option. Again, you will just copy your QR code, or you can just copy your address and you will send it to the person you want to receive the money from. Now let me take you to the settings of MetaMask. Click on settings right here. Here you will find the general settings. In general settings, you can change your currency. I have USD right now, but you can change to any currency you want. Then we have primary currency, current language, search engine, hide tokens without balance, and account identicon. Then we can go back to advanced settings. In advanced setting, we get our reset account option, IPFS gateways, show hex data, customized transaction oneness, enhanced token detection, and stat logs. So this is where you will be getting all of the advanced option, and this is where you will be getting your APIs to detect and display new tokens to your wallet. Let's go back. Then we have contacts. This is where you can add different contacts and wallets to your MetaMask, and you can send them money or receive money from them very easily. Let's go back. Then we have networks. Again, click on networks, and this is where you will get all the information about the networks you already have or any networks that you have added, test networks, everything will be shown here. Then we have experimentals and about MetaMask. Security and privacy allows you to create your own private key of your MetaMask, and you will be able to access it anytime you want. So keep that in mind as well, and make sure to secure your wallet before you get started with it, and before you do anything, make sure to secure the wallet first and create a private key. Now let's go back to from the settings. This is where you will do all of the settings for your, MetaMask. You can see right now it's on Ethereum. If I switch the networks to maybe Polygon, then you will be able to see the tokens will be changed as well, and NFTs. Each of the token and NFT will be saved on a specific network in your wallet, and you can switch between the networks to access the NFTs and the tokens that you have. You can see right here. I can also import tokens with my MetaMask and maybe switch between the accounts. This is how you use MetaMask on your phone. It's a very easy to use wallet, and you can access it anytime you want. Now you know how to set up MetaMask and buy NFTs, send tokens, swap tokens, and use your crypto wallet. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.